Transformation of sentences from simple to complex. We have already discussed the transformation from simple to compound. Now it's the time to discuss about simple to complex. So let's brush up our knowledge. What do we mean by simple sentence? A sentence that has one independent clause is called a simple sentence. Whereas sentence that has one independent clause and one or more subordinate clauses is called a complex sentence. So, in complex sentence, we can see there will be one independent clause and more than one or more than one subordinate clauses. Now, to join these two clauses, few words are used as conjunction. Okay, and those conjunctions are known as subordinating conjunctions. As we have learned in compound sentence, coordinating conjunctions are used. In the same way, in complex sentence, subordinating conjunctions are used. Now, the words which are used as subordinating conjunctions are as follows: before, after, till, until, etc. We should always keep in mind that transformation means transforming a sentence, but the meaning will not change. Okay, the form will change, but meaning will remain same. So we will use the conjunction in a manner so that our our sentence remains with the same meaning. Okay, so few rules are like this. If a sentence is starting with present participle, I hope you remember what is present participle, gerund, etc. So a sentence when it's starting with present participle in simple, in complex, since, as, or when is added. See the example: closing the door, I went back to school. The complex sentence is: when I closed the door, I went back to school. Now it again depends upon the sentence which conjunction we should use. Again, the same way, if the sentence has verb plus ing, our complex sentence will have as, when, or since. The examples: after winning a beauty contest, she cried. As she won the beauty contest, she cried. Okay. Now the third one: he is too weak to run. Okay, if this type of phrases are there in simple sentence, in complex sentence it will become like this: he is so weak that he cannot run. Means so and that will be used with a negative word. Okay, so he is so weak that he cannot run. Now, if in a simple sentence, in spite of or despite is there, in complex sentence, though or although will be used. Example: in spite of being rich, she is hardworking. Though she is rich, she is hardworking. It all depends upon your practice. If you practice a lot, it will become easy for you. Now let's go to the next rules. Without. If in a simple sentence, without is there. In complex sentence, if or in case will be added. Example: without adding the sugar, the dish will taste bad. Complex sentence: if you do not add sugar, the dish will taste bad. Again, in simple sentence, if at the time is given. In complex sentence, when will be there. She woke up at the time of load shedding. She woke up when it was load shedding. Now, the simple sentence if it has adjective. Okay, then in complex sentence, that, which, who, these words will be added. It will base upon the meaning of the sentence. So based on the meaning of the sentence, we will add these words. Look one example. It was a blue shirt. It was a shirt which was blue. Okay. So a few more examples. See, simple sentences. There I saw a beautiful girl. Complex sentence. There I saw a girl who was beautiful. She was too poor to educate her children. Simple sentence. She was so poor that she could not educate her children. Complex sentence. His advice did not prove successful. Simple. What he advised did not prove successful. Complex. So go through the rules once again. It's very easy. And you have already learned conjunctions, you have already learned clauses. So it's not a big deal for you all. I know if you will practice and if you will concentrate, you will be able to do the questions easily. For any queries, please feel free to ask. Now there are a few questions for you. Please solve these questions. These are the questions for you. Okay. Thank you, students.